Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, and today I wanted to walk you through the all-new redesigned 230 Cruiser. So Harris's lineup, they did a nice little refresh to the Cruisers. The Cruiser is the entry level for Harris, and the first thing I want to point out is this is a tri-tune. So we do have the 3 tubes, and the middle tube is a sport tune, what we like to call. You got nice big docking lights on both sides. We did this with the nice black on the side and then the silver metallic insert in here, the accent color. Like I said, Cruiser 230. All our Harrises are going to have Mercuries on them. So we got the Mercury 4-stroke. This is a 150 horsepower engine, so plenty of power to do any sort of tubing or skiing. We did add the stainless steel ski toe bar on this as well. If we come around this way, we did do also the 3-step ladder. So this just pops down here. Nice long ladder, easy to get on if you're even sitting in the water. So let's go see the layout and all the other options inside the boat. All right, welcome to the interior. So this interior, they have a new fabric this year, really nice and buttery soft. This is a gray fabric that we did on this one. You've got the nice sun pad back here. There is nice storage underneath here. And then underneath that cushion on that side is a cooler. So you could throw some ice in there and keep some beverages cold. We've got cup holders here and then a couple USB ports. Keep your phones charged. This is the SL layout, or single lounger. So right now it's facing forward. And if you want to, you can lift it up, face it backward, and then there's actually another where you can lay it all the way down and lay down. You've got some storage underneath here as well. Cup holders all over the place. As part of the SL lounger, you've got seating that wraps all the way around. We have the nice large Helm seat. So it's got a nice high back to it, so it supports your back all the way through. We've got armrests that go up. The chair does swivel, as you can see, and it does go forward and back. They have a new redesigned helm. So we've got some tack here. We got the Lowrance hook right in here, so you can have your depth finder. There's a little bit of a fishing package in it. Gives you a little bit of everything, which is nice. Standard is the Fusion stereo system. It is a Bluetooth, so you can hook your phone up to it. We've got 2, 3, 4 speakers inside the boat. We do have a wireless phone charger that we added to this particular pontoon as well, so just set your phone on there, charges it up. I've got storage underneath the helm here, so you can put stuff there. We don't put base for the table, but there is a table that comes with, and you as the customer can decide where in the pontoon you would like to have that table. A couple new features here. So they've had the recessed cup holders inside here in the past, but a little redesign with it, and they added USBs in here. So there's a nice little USB. You can put either a drink there, put your phone there. All of our cushions are on hinges, so easy to lift up, and you got plenty of storage in this boat, in this pontoon. So this is the SL 23-foot Cruiser model with the 150, and it is a tri-tune. It is here in our Rogers location, so if you'd like to come take a look, please call us for an appointment. And as always, please click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out daily.